You absolutely can't miss this technology. As global challenges in transportation and security continue to rise, ACTi's Blacklisted Vehicle Identification System is leading the way with AI intelligence and automated protection, helping schools, factories, and parking lots achieve fast recognition, instant alerts, and total protection. This isn't just surveillance, it's a revolution in proactive security. First, let's look at automatic matching. The ACTi system automatically scans all vehicles entering and exiting, comparing license plates with a blacklist database in real time. Whether at a school entrance, a factory gate, or a parking barrier, it identifies suspicious vehicles instantly with zero delay. Administrators no longer need manual monitoring, the system operates 24/7 without interruption. When an anomaly is detected, the suspicious vehicle is immediately highlighted on the screen. This not only strengthens entrance security but also greatly reduces manpower costs. Next, instant alerts. When a blacklisted vehicle is detected, the system immediately triggers alarms and locks the gate, while simultaneously notifying both the monitoring center and security guards via mobile devices. At the moment the alarm sounds, the barrier automatically closes, blocking unauthorized access. From school entrances and factory warehouses to parking lot gates, all alert events are automatically logged and synchronized with the control center for real-time management. Finally, gate access integration. The ACTi system integrates seamlessly with all types of entrance barriers, including boom gates, sliding gates, and automatic barriers. When a blacklisted or unauthorized vehicle is detected, the gate remains locked while the system alerts security personnel for verification. This integrated solution is ideal for factory logistics centers and school driveways, ensuring that every vehicle entering or exiting is under full control. All system records can also serve as evidence for post-incident investigation, improving event traceability. With powerful AI-based video recognition and access control integration, ACTi delivers a high-value solution for system integrators. It's easy to operate, quick to deploy, and saves 30 to 50% in costs compared to Axis, giving you superior performance at a significantly lower price. Discover ACTi's Blacklisted Vehicle Identification System today. Let AI help you detect risks instantly, enhance protection, and reduce costs. Upgrade your access security with ACTi's all-in-one solution. Take control of every second.